Excuse me. What are you doing down there? What are you doing down there? What's the matter? Is your arm stuck? How'd that happen? How'd that happen? Let's show everybody how that happened. Want to show them how you do it? Want to show them how you do it? Oh, what are you going that way for? Look how agile I am, guys. Hi. Hi. Want to say hi to anybody? Shout out. Well, there you go. That's how my arm got stuck. Here, look. Ooh. Look at you. Hi. You're about ready to crawl soon, huh? Oh, yeah. Are you trying to crawl? Are you trying to scoot? Oh, man, I am in trouble. Hi. You're so silly. Oh my God. You're gonna move soon. I just started rolling over last week. Now all of a sudden I'm gonna be moving. Oh yeah. Want to say hi to nobody? I'm busy, guys. She's trying to scoot herself, so she's like, the whole time. She's so dramatic. Look at her. Where are you going? Where are you going so fast? Huh? Where are you going? Where are you going so fast? I'm going to have to roll you back over. Okay, you're making a lot of noise. You're going to wake Livy up out there. There you go. Better? No. What happened? What happened? Alright, you're tired. Okay, say bye. Just wanted to show you guys how I roll over.